Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nubia Flip, and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data, and then we can enter the Play Store. Let me go back, and it's important to note that you will be able to follow my steps if you have your Google account added to the device. So if you're logged in, you can do it right now, or you can sign up. If you're not sure how to do it, simply check our tutorial about it, so how to add or remove a Google account in this specific device. Alright, so all we have to do is to tap on the circle, which is your account, and tap on Manage Apps and Device. Here we have to tap on Manage, and as you can see, this is the list of all installed apps. We have to tap on Updates Available to check which of those can be updated. Simply find the options and mark them. So for example, those options in my case, and then tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And right now your device will download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated and applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.